Hey, Janice, where you going, baby?
Hey, that's where you got the pumpkins. Is this where you got the pumpkins, Dada? Daddy, is this where you got the pumpkins?
Yeah, I don't know if that's where she got the pumpkins from, your godparents.
Oh, I pushed it. Whoa, this is so heavy even though it's little. Yeah, it's not heavy. It's not heavy. Her joke does.
Huh?
Her joke does. It's not heavy.
The apple orchard, all that farming and everything. We out in Hobart, Indiana. County Line Orchard. Fun to the core. This is the apple orchard. Oh wow, this is the inside. What'd you say, MJ? We only here to get donuts.
Yeah, and they're only
Oh, they got fudge. Donuts, lots of gifts. Caramel apple pie, sweet shop. Go tell mama. Tell mama. We got beverages. How are you? Everything in ice water. Oh, these are caramel apple kits. Wow, those are kits. See it?
Oh, come here. There's a caramel apple kit. Mommy, look at the caramel apple.
Go tell mama.
Follow me.
Okay, I'm gonna follow you. It's a really rainy day. Might have to go upstairs. Okay, you gotta let the umbrella down, buddy. You let your umbrella down?
Follow me.
Okay, we finna follow you. Okay, let's follow. Okay, we gotta walk around first, MJ.
I'm walking here.
Okay, let's check up here.
Wait, the other thing that is safe. Whoa! Can you go see over there?
Come on, walk around. This is the dining area. I think that's a dining. It's a private event for weddings only.
Okay.
Weddings and events. Hold on, guys. Let's see if it's open. Nope, not open. MJ, let's go, man. I see you hiding. Slow down, Janice. Wedding and events. Yeah, talk to mama. These are wind chimes. These are wind chimes. These are wind chimes. Pinwheels and wind chimes. No, you're not.
I had to tell Mama. Mama thought we were down there. Okay, go on there.
Mommy's right there by the window. Mommy's right there by the window. Get mama, that's right. Hey. This is the season. Oh wow, I'm gonna take some pictures right here. These are spices, herbs and spices. What is that? Honey and oats, that's soap. All at the apple orchard. Make it be honey. Stone coasters. Hey, go sit right there so we can take a picture, guys.
No.
Go, hey. Okay. Okay. Move your baskets. Mommy walking in. Mommy walking in. Okay, we're coming. MJ, we found Christmas stuff.
Mommy, look, I got it. That's not fruit.
Oh wow, they go all the way over here.
I dropped my bag down.
You're fine, ain't nobody up here but us.
You can jump high, macaroni. Oh, there you are. There you are. Look, quick. Look,
I know, MJ. That's fine.
Okay, I'm going downstairs. Huh? Oh, yeah, we made that. Wait. This is the one I made, remember, guys? Oh, you can have it.
We can make our own. That's $14.99. Don't touch that stuff.
You know you got it, Mommy. Mommy knows she got it.
No, if I can make it, I ain't
You know you got it, Mommy. Let it go. Let it go. Look at this fella over here. That fella over there. All right, guys. Let's go on the other level, babe. He's over there. Come on, babe. Let's go on the other level. What you going to get? He's going to get donuts, and they're going to his basket. Let's take a peek outside. Huh? MJ, you taking the wrong stairs. The stairs over there. Here's the orchard. Mommy and them going, they stairs over there, son. They going to hurry up. They going to get the donuts. They going to try and put them in Janice's basket. There it is. That's the orchard where the apples are. They have a corn maze. They have all type of stuff. But it's wet outside, so we can't go. So make sure you share with your friends. Like, share, and subscribe. We got to get our subscriber count up. I see that everybody's watching the videos. Thank you so much. But we got to get our subscriber count up so we can take more fun trips and show you more fun things. Okay, guys. They got umbrellas. Huh? That's fine. Oh, look, guys, look. Look at this, guys. Look like you can act like you climbing up the tree. You climb up the apple tree. Listen, man, they done took the candles to a whole nother level. They got candles that smell like hot apple pie. Oh my God, these are candles and I think beverages. Jesus, oh, those are cups. I'm going back downstairs. What's Mommy and Janice doing? They walking with me. Oh my God, look at all the donuts. Oh my God. Go ahead. You want to go over there with them? Hey, look, they sell hats and gloves. Huh? Ah, don't worry about it. Hey, let's take a picture in the hat. Let's see. They got apples, hand-picked apples that people didn't want. Honey. Oh, Lord, they got honey. There's got to be some expensive honey. Oh, no, that ain't bad. Raw honey. 30 for raw honey. Raw honey. All from the farm.
Hey, get a picture.
$40.
Get a picture. You done?
Yes.
I'm gonna want to try to scare mommy.
Okay, go try to scare mommy. Go try to scare mommy.
What's neat?
Her over here. She's over here.
Here. You pick it.
Y'all go ahead, put it back. Put it back, guys. Mama buying the expensive donuts. $12 a dozen.
12 just down here.
Jesus.
This is
You got
donut.
both of them, and you got the apple in there.
I didn't let me give
Look back.
Okay.
Look back.
Okay. They got both of them in there.
Yep. You got the
Okay,
apple.
hey, be careful, guys.
You got the apple and
Be careful.
I think you got a choice between the apple cinnamon or pumpkin. I think the apple cinnamon.
Okay. Mama got the mix.
they got the one that's mixed too.
Hey, you want? Hey, you want one? You want both?
Up order, you can buy coffee and hot chocolate. Is that coffee grounds? Wow. Cinnamon, dried fig, dark chocolate.
I didn't let me get a donut.
She's gonna give you one. Don't worry about it. She's gonna give you one.
Can I have one? Look, Daddy.
You gotta ask your mama. There she go. Scare mommy.
Pop it. A snake's coming for you.
What? Oh, yes, we did.
No. This is all at the apple orchard. Wow. Wow.
We ain't coming for toys.
You got ices. That's their thing. They're the tractors for the hayride. They got the animal farm things where you go and pet the animals and everything. But it's wet outside, so everything's closed. There's the apples. If you look real close on the ground, you can see all those apples. See all those apples on the ground? All the apples on the ground. They are the tractors. got the things to pet the animals over there. You go in there, pet the animals and everything.
All right. Hey, but we're not getting no toys here, so don't get your hopes up.
Daddy, what are you doing?
Hmm?
Whoa.
That's the orchard. That's where the apples are.
What are those?
Those trees have apples in it. Trees have apples in it. Come on, guys. Mommy said we got to get this slushies, I guess. Go ahead. Go ahead, put it back, son. Hey, they got trains.
Squishy. It's squishy that out. And then let me get the card. Dad, look the pineapple. Yeah. Take a picture of me eating the pineapple.
I see. I got a picture of you eating the pineapple, son.
Who's in there?
Where'd your mama go? And your sister.
I don't matter. Oh, yeah.
Yes, it does. We got to watch out for them.
I'm having fun.
Hey.
Go hide these out.
Huh?
Go hide these out.
I see. Yeah, that's called a bouncy ball. Go ahead, put it back so we can, hey, MJ, stop.
Okay.
Catch it and put it back. Okay, let's go find Mommy. Come on, let's go find Mommy. Come on. So we can get our stuff that she got. Oh, where's MJ's? Mommy has yours, MJ. Go get it. Let's go get it. Hey, where's our slushie? Mommy has his. Come on. All right. Look at that coffee grounds. Jesus Christ.
Ethiopian
Boy,
blend.
they like $40 honey bottles. $40 honeys. These honeys, this 30, that's 40. This 30, that's 40.
And this is real honey.
Yeah.
This is raw honey from out there.
Yeah.
They got the bee thing.
Yeah, they got the beehive thing out there. Yeah. Yeah, so.
Rosewood.
Yeah, of course. They did it here.
Hey, don't touch nothing.
See?
Take that.
Look at this. Menthol eucalyptus drop.
I bet you this work.
Look.
Oh, yeah. What y'all got them baskets for?
I'm strong.
Uh-huh. What y'all got them baskets for? You what?
I got toys.
You swamped? Y'all got toys at home. We saving the toys for Christmas. So we can buy toys for Christmas. We don't want to buy them all at one time. All right. That's...
Ooh, they already have umbrellas. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you didn't subscribe, well, you better subscribe. Yeah! Look like that. You better subscribe, or I will turn into the Hulk, baby. Yay! Look, guys, you open and close it. You open it and close it. Look, guys, it's like a smoothie.
Don't put your mouth on there. Other kids got to play with that. Don't do that. Other kids got to play with it.
Thank you, guys. Ah! Get it. Where did you get it? How do you get it?
Press his belly.
I think those are toys, or I have mine inside. Next time, Mama.
So that's how
What
they
am I
do.
doing?
Why I got a lot of extra caramel on there. Wow, that looks delicious. Good God, Jesus.
That's why I said I wanted one. Help.
Oh, they got their work cut out for them.
Help
Those are
again.
100 too.
Oh, look, she got one over here. I think that's chocolate. Oh, she cold with it. Look at her. She cold with it.
Fast, okay? That's
Oh, look at, oh, she got to put it in the. Oh, wow.
Oh, she did that quick. She did that quick. She moved quick.
That's why I said I wanted one, because they make them together.
Super quick. They super fast with it.
You never give me one of these.
I can make those, please.
They have pies. Dutch apple pie. Yep. Dutch.
Can I get one?
No. Food allergy, see? Everything is post.
Don't touch. What happens if I touch it? It says don't touch. That's why.
Let's go. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Went outside. MJ.
I can't take it in.
Get your umbrella out.
Hey, put your umbrella up so you can go outside. Here, we're gonna go. Put your umbrella, buddy. They need his umbrella. Put your umbrella up. Put it up. Shake it out. Shake it. Shake it, Janitha, to come out. Just shake it. Shake and push. You push it all the way up. There you go.
Do I go under those little gaps?
Huh?
To get out?
No. No, we gotta go out that way. Over there. That big old pumpkin. Gotta go out over there.
I don't have my umbrella ready.
Huh?
I don't have my umbrella ready.
Okay. Ready to go, guys? Going out into the wet rain. Have a nice day, you all. Thank you.
Bye.
No, I'm good. I'm good. Go ahead. I'm making sure I got the key. I didn't even lock the door. I don't think I did. Out in the rain. Thank God for waterproof phones.
I'm waterproof.
Why ain't my thing working? There it is.
Look at MJ.
Come on, son. What? You dropped your scroll? We got one in the car. Come on. We got one in the car. Come on. Spider-Man dropped his scroll so he can't enjoy his slushy. We got one in the car. Come on. Walk up. The door's open already. Give me here. Let me hold it. Want me to hold it? Well.
Getting raindrops, Dada?
Huh? Yeah.
The raindrops on it.
Yeah. It's open already. It's open. It's open, guys. Go ahead. I am. Go ahead, son. On this side, daddy's side.
I want to go along with this stuff.
All right, we gone. Apple Orchard, Country Line Orchard. Wet and rainy day.
Yeah!
Go ahead, get in, son. Get in.
Get in!
I got it. Go get in. Get in. Mommy's in, Janice in. Daddy's the only one that's not in.
About Mama eating.